Problem number 1. All radii of a circle are equal. A. Axiom. B. Lemma. C. Theorem. And D. Corollary. And the answer was letter C. It's because any segment connecting the center of a circle to any point on its edge circumference will have the same length. And for the problem number 2, the question was, what is the compounded amount of 550 left for 8 years with an interest at nominal 6% compounded semi-annually? So in the given amount, 550, interest is 6%, so semi-annually mo siya, so i-divide mo siya by 2, so nakay consumption na 0.03. So ang end din na to is 8 years man siya, so 8 years, so i-multiply din nato ang 8 years sa 2, kaya semi-annually mo siya, so na 16. So ang required niya is compounded semi-annually. And sa solution, natin solution nga f is equal to p times 1 plus I over to the power of n. So i-substitute na to, so natin 550 times 1 plus 0.03 interest, tapos ang n nato is 16. So natin total of 882.58 or 883. The final answer is letter B. For the problem number 3, the three altitudes of a triangle meet in a common point called A in center, B circumcenter, C centroid, and D is orthocenter. So the final answer was letter D. It's because the point where all three altitudes of a triangle intersect. So let's proceed to the problem number 4. Problem number 4. In question, an item is purchased for 100,000. Annual costs are 18,000. And using 8% interest, what are the capitalized costs of perpetual service? So ang required is capital cost for perpetual service. So in solution, naatay capital cost of perpetual service. Tapos i-substitute din nato ang purchase, annual cost of ang interest. So natay final answer nga 325,000. Letter D. For the problem number 5, the question was, the second and the sixth terms of a geometric progression are 3 by 10 and 243 by 163. Respectively, what is the first term of each sequence? So, sa given, natay sa second term, natay ER. I use ER for the 3 over 10, and for the sixth term is AR to the power of 6. Ako dyan po i-use, so nasa 243 over 160. Tapos, ang required niya is first term in its sequence. So, sa solution, so akong i-substitute, so na AR to the power 5 over ER. So, i-cancel out na po yung A, akong i-bring down, tapos akong gigamit ko na, akong i-unang panitang ang R. So, akong i-cancel out ang isa, so na ako yung R to the power 4. So, i-substitute din akong value. So, na 143 over 160 divided by 3 over 10. So, cross multiplication, so nakoy summation ng 243 times 10 over 160 times 3. So ang iyang answer was 2,430 over 480. So ako din ipangita ang least common mean niya. So na siya ay 30. So divide din ako siya sa 30. So na ako ay assumption na 81 over 16. So equal din ako siya sa R. Kaya R kaya naman kay to the power 4. Equal na ko ang yung power. So ako i-divide. So 81 over 16 to the power 1/4. So nakag-final answer na 1.5. Sa 1.5, ako din i-substitute dahil sa AR niya, ako pang i-bring down ng AR. So, ang A, so nanaman ko yung value sa A. So, ako din i-substitute. Dahil ko yung 3 over 10 divided by A. So, i-substitute din ako ang value sa A, katong 1.5. So, nako yung 3 over 10 divided by 1.5 is 3 over 15. I-divide din ako siya sa 3. Para ma 1.5. So, ang final answer is 1.5 B.